Hello, my name is Phil Dissacohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today I'm going to demonstrate the four-direction wedge guard Palmheel Strike combination. So basically we're going to do stepping into a wedge guard and then doing four palmheel strikes. Okay, to start off with, we want to make sure we do the palm heels. We want to have a good hand shape. You want your fingers nice and tight, thumb against your hand, striking with the palm of your hand, not your fingers, when you do the palm heel strikes. Also, we do this when your a helper or partner comes at you with a shield. You're going to step back away so you get a little bit of distance, get into that wedge guard, get that elbow up nice and high, protect your face, just like that. Okay, from there, you can do four palm heel strikes. So you're going to twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, back into a wedge guard, and then shuffle step away. So, I'll start from this parallel ready stance. You're going to step back away. You're going to get a little bit of distance, okay? Okay, so, and then you're going to get into a good wedge guard, elbow up nice and high, and then the other hand ready to do start the palm heel strikes, okay? Then you're going to twist, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you really want to do a twist. It gives your palm heel strikes much more power. So one more time. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, we're going to do it from the right side. So let's say somebody's over here at the right coming at you. Okay, basically you're going to shift away into that wedge guard. Okay, you want to give yourself a little distance, okay? And then you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say they come at you from the left side. You can shift away, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's say somebody comes up from behind you. What you can do there is you're going to step away into that wedge guard, okay? Turn and step away from your partner, okay? And four palm heels strikes like so. Okay, so I'm going to have Hannah help me demonstrate this. Okay, so this is from the front. Okay, so I'm going to start from a parallel ready stance, minding my own business, and she's going to come at me with that shield. Okay, ready? Hold on a second. And go. Okay, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, wedge guard, and then up into a good wedge guard and shuffle step away. Okay, ready? And go. Okay, now, from the side. So let's say I'm standing here, but you're going to stay over here. Okay, so she's at my right side. Okay, she's trying to sneak up on me. I'm going to look, okay, and go. I'm just going to shift away, okay, give myself a little distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, wedge guard, and then shuffle step away. Okay, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle step away. Okay, now she's going to come at me from my left. Okay. So I can see her out of the corner of my eye. Okay, ready? And go. Shift away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now she's going to come from behind me. So I'm going to do this at an angle so you can see it on the camera. So I'm going to be minding my own business. I hear her sneaking up on me. And go. I'm going to turn. I'm going to step away, okay? And then I'm going to do 2, 3, 4 into the wedge guard. Okay, she's going to sneak up behind me and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And shuffle step. Thank you. Okay, the important thing is you want to get into that wedge guard, get that elbow up nice and high. And have the other hand ready for that first palm heel. Okay, when you do those palm heels, you want to do twist into those strikes like so. And that is the wedge guard, four side wedge guard, palm heel strike combination.